Welcome back, everyone. This is Heat 4. Now, Macy, in Heat 3 we saw Holden and Ford lose some of their top drivers. How do you think tonight's Heat will play out?
Yeah, mate, that's spot on. You're absolutely bound to lose a driver or two, especially when you push the car to the limits like they did last week here at Mount Western Raceway. It's an unforgiving track, and if you make the slightest mistake, you are going to be on your roof, and that's not where you want to be in any sort of racing. Let's hope today for some good, clean racing and some points on the board for both teams.
Now, looking at the scores from Heat 3, you can see Holden still out front on 58 and Ford right behind them on 56. Okay, let's have a look at tonight's lineup, Macy.
Driver number 1 for Holden today is Kane. He's driving the blue and yellow SS Commodore. Driving the number 22 Boost Mobile Commodore is Oz Nitro 76.
Looking at Team Ford, the first driver is Steve Nicely in the number 60 Decena. And next up, driving their BOC number 21 is MDG, Michael's Diecast Garage. Good luck, gentlemen.
Let's cross over to the start line now, where we find cars and drivers in position and ready to rock and roll. Good luck to all competitors. We'll see you straight after Heat number 4.
I've been used sometimes, left alone in the heat of the night. Every time, and up like a play, got nothing but my soul to blame. Well, you said it's all done. Something tells me I should leave the town. Wanna have you one more time, play a trick of my worried mind. Long ago, you were mine. Bye bye, baby. Out of the corner, down in the drain. I need a miracle to make it go away. I wanna tell you, I'm out of love. Somebody help me, I just wanna be your animal. I was born in a cage. My own mama kinda had her own ways. So divine, so pure. I can't live that life anymore. I just wanna have some more. You can't give me what I need for sure. I got nothing left to lose. Bye, my baby. Out of the corner, down in the drain. I need a miracle to make it go away. I wanna tell you, I'm out of love. Somebody help me, I just wanna be your
Oh, Macy, that was a tough heat tonight. And going through for Team Ford is Steve Nicely in that blue and white 60 Decena. And also going through for Ford, driving their BOC number 21 is MDG, Michael's Diecast Garage. Congratulations.
Sadly, that means we have to let go of Oz Nitro 76 in that number 22 Boost Mobile Commodore. Also leaving tonight is teammate Kane in the blue and yellow SS Commodore. We'll see you here at Mount Western Raceway, smashing out some laps very soon. Thanks for driving, boys.
And here's the running total. Holden on 67 and Ford in a whopping 84. They're slaughtering Holden. Unbelievable.
Great driving tonight by Steve Nicely in that number 60 Decena Ford Falcon. He cruised around in the fastest time tonight of 14.440. Great performance, mate. We'll see you in the finals.
Yes, what a shame for Team Holden. 2 of their drivers heading home. I'm sure there'll be some words in the locker room after tonight's event. All right, Macy, let's have a look at some replays.
Well, race number 1 today was all about Steve Nicely in that number 60 Decena Falcon. He took off like an absolute turtle, but by the time he got to Road Warriors Corner, he'd had enough and he dropped the hammer and he left them in his dust. That's 4 points on the board for Team Ford in heat number 1.
Yes, Team Ford definitely have something to smile about tonight. You can see the 2 top Fords going out here, and Steve Nicely in the Decena just pips him on the inside. He's got a beautiful line, execution, and just takes that turn for the win.
Well, it really was Steve Nicely's show today here at Mount Western Raceway. Race number 3 was no different. Once again, he started off slowly, but managed to muster up enough speed to hit the lead by the time they went down the hill, and he was going to be hard to catch from then. That's another win on the board for Team Ford, and 3 in a row for Steve Nicely.
Looking at race 4 here, I thought Holden might have had a chance, all 4 cars getting around that chicane, but look, it's all Team Ford all the way for another victory, and a sensational win tonight by Team Ford, really just pushing out in front of Team Holden. Well, that's a wrap from tonight's event. Once again, thank you to our sponsors, thank you to Macy, our co-host, and Mark D, our engineer and mechanic on duty. Until next time, we will catch you later.